At the end of this chapter, the user will be able to operate a pump operation in HYSYS to model the pumping process, connect streams to unit operations, determine the pump efficiency and outlet temperature. Click on Component List. Write component name to add. Select Pump from palette. Click on Pump. Double-click on Pump. Give name to streams. Click on the Worksheet tab. Now add all the given values. Press spacebar or click to change unit. Click on Design tab and then select Parameter and change Efficiency as 10%. If there is only one component, then composition is 1. The outlet temperature which was required is found to be 138.1. You can check outlet temperature by just mouse over the stream.